Hello everyone, welcome to a special edition of 2-Minute Tips. Let's get started. I'm Dan Bettina, I'm the Global Leader for the Account Services team. In this special edition of 2-Minute Tips, I'm going to talk a little bit about the new Account Services team, why it exists, and how it can help you. The Account Services team has just launched. This is one team set up to answer all your non-technical questions. But what exactly does that mean? The team can support right now on questions ranging from feature access to vendor forms to questions that you have on invoice and payment. You can access this team via the Customer Success Hub, and they're focused on making sure you have a fast response and a fast resolution to your questions. Expect more communication to come out soon as the team expands their scope. Also on the Customer Hub, you'll find an expanding array of self-serve options for any help that you might need with your account. Here's how that works. You can submit your request by logging into the Customer Success Hub and selecting Get Account Services Support. When you select this option, we will ask you a few follow-up questions. By clarifying this up front, it just means that we can avoid back and forth with you and can make sure we provide the fastest answer and resolution to the question that you have. As I mentioned, you can get help with a range of issues from invoicing to vendor forms through product access as well as payment questions. And more services are coming soon, so keep an eye out. If you don't have a Qualtrics account and you can't access the Customer Success Hub, no worries. Your organization's brand admin can create a Qualtrics account for you, and we've added 2 new user seats to allow that to happen. The Customer Success Hub has lots of features that are going to be beneficial to you. It's a single place where you can reach anyone at Qualtrics securely. It allows us to match you to your account when you need help. You also have the ability to view and manage your ticket history, update your billing information, and read the details about your success package. We're excited to offer you this improved support experience. So we invite you to try Account Services and see how much easier managing your account can be. Finally, be sure, as always, to comment on this video here in the XM community with your thoughts on our new Account Services functionality.